Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into your Adobe Acrobat account. Easy guide step by step clearly. Make sure you have a stable internet connection on your computer or mobile device. Open your preferred web browser such as Chrome, Edge, Safari, or Firefox. In the address bar, type adobe.com and press enter. On the Adobe homepage, find and click the Sign In button at the top right. If you are asked to choose a service, select Acrobat or continue with your Adobe ID sign-in. On the sign-in page, click the email address field. Type the email address you used when creating your Adobe account. Click Continue to move to the password step. Click the password field and enter your Adobe account password. Double-check for correct capitalization because passwords are case-sensitive. Click Sign In to access your account. If you see a verification prompt, complete the CAPTCHA if it appears. If two-step verification is enabled, check your phone or email for the security code. Enter the security code exactly as shown, then confirm to continue. If you prefer, use Continue with Google, Continue with Apple, or Continue with Facebook when available. Make sure you choose the same linked account that is connected to your Adobe ID. If you are using a shared computer, avoid selecting the option to stay signed in. After signing in, confirm you are on the correct profile by checking your name or avatar. To open Acrobat on the web, click Apps or Products and choose Acrobat. If you want to use the desktop app, open Adobe Acrobat on your computer. In Acrobat Desktop, go to Help and select Sign In if you are not already signed in. Enter the same Adobe ID email and password to sync your subscription and services. If you forgot your password, click Forgot Password on the Sign In page. Enter your email and follow the reset link sent by Adobe. Create a strong new password, then return to the Sign In page. If Sign In fails, recheck your email spelling and try again carefully. Clear your browser cache or try an incognito window if the page keeps looping. Contact Adobe support if you cannot access a paid plan or your account appears locked. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.